In today's lesson, I want to give you an introduction to fractions. So, what exactly is a fraction? A fraction is basically a part of something, a part of a whole. So let's say we have one whole circle, and we break it into two parts. Let's shade just one portion of the circle. Here's a question for you. What fraction of this circle is shaded? There are two parts, but only one out of the two parts is shaded. So the fraction would be 1/2. Let's use some more visual examples. This time, let's use a rectangle and break it into 3 parts. Now, what fraction of this rectangle is shaded? Out of 3 parts, only one part is shaded, so 1/3 of the rectangle is shaded. Here's another visual example using a circle. Go ahead and convert this picture into a fraction. Feel free to pause the video and try that example. So, what fraction of the circle is shaded? While you work on that, I'm just going to draw another example too, this time using a rectangle. So, going back to the top circle, notice that the circle is broken into 4 parts. That's the total number of parts we have for that one circle. Out of the 4 parts, only one part is shaded, so the fraction is 1/4. 1 out of 4 parts is shaded. Now for the rectangle, it's broken up into 5 parts, and this time, 3 of them are shaded, so the fraction is 3/5. Let's look at another circle example. This one is divided into 6 parts, and 5 of them are shaded, so we say that 5/6 of the circle is shaded. And finally, here's one more example using a rectangle. It's broken up into 8 equal parts, and 3 of them are shaded. So that means 3/8 of the rectangle is shaded. So that's the basic idea of a fraction. A fraction is basically a part of a whole. Now, for those of you who want additional videos on fractions, feel free to check out my other videos. If you just type in Fraction Fundamentals Guru in the YouTube search bar, you'll find more videos on that topic.